truth is finally here. Hi everyone, welcome again to Gun PDR Training. This is Marty Runick, and today we're going to show you how to make super sharp tool tips out of convertible tips. Now this is the super sharp needle tip. You can't possibly get it any sharper than this. This is the one I use most often. In fact, that video where I took the metal knockdown, pushed it into the panel and then hit it with a 3-pound dead blow. Well, this is a tool tip that repaired it. It'll gather up stretched metal like crazy and is sharp enough to make you bleed if you misuse it. Okay, now this one over here, kind of like it, but you notice the slope isn't the same. It's quite a bit broader down here. It comes to a point much slower than that one does. That one I use more for orange peel. I make my own orange peel and stuff like that. Cookie repairs and such, I'll use that one. But I'd say far and away, that's the one I use most, fellas, that one right there. Sharp as you can possibly get it. Okay, fellas, to make these, the first step is to take an extension and to screw it on to your tip that you want to sharpen. And you want to start off with a pencil tip already, of course. Now you can go ahead and use a bench grinder if you want to get the initial profile, but no more than about 2-3 seconds lightly, and then you quench it in water right away. I think you should actually do it by hand, start to finish, because if you even turns blue, you really have destroyed the temper on this, and you don't want to do that. So if this turns blue at all, you've destroyed the temper. So, and if you're going to use a bench grinder, just maybe one revolution, dip it in cold water, another one, dip it in cold water, and just keep doing that, all right? Now when it comes time to do the actual sharpening, you want to start with 120 grit and end up with about 320 grit. Then you hold it by the extension. Then what we're doing is we're dragging it toward us and rotating it at the same time. And we make sure that the angle, that angle right there, not like this, like that, we want it nice and parallel, all right, of the needle tip. And then what we're going to do as we sharpen it is turn it like that. Okay, so we're turning this as we're dragging it toward us, all right? That's how we're doing it. And you just keep going, guys, until you get that tool that'll make you bleed if you look at it wrong. Generally speaking, on something this sharp, you'll have to resharpen it every probably 4 jobs, 4 dents, because they do wear out kind of quick when they're this sharp. But they will do things that no other tool will do, guys. So in past videos, we've showed you how to make super sharp whale tails, super sharp door tools, and now you know how to make super sharp convertible tips.